Brought to you by Curious Moranland. So, this is a handout that the students used in which they figured out time, and they take a meter stick, hold the meter stick up. We're going to use that to trace time. So, what are the increments, gentlemen?
So, we have 1 billion years represented by 1 meter, and therefore we would have 1 centimeter representing 10 million years, and 1 millimeter representing 1 million years. So
Okay.
right here, we have the beginning of where we are now. This is 2015 AD.
So that's the present.
This
Okay.
is the present. Then we have, as we can see these very small increments in time showing us our events. But as we scoot further back, these increments in time actually decrease. We have less events as we go back further.
Okay.
So there's more distance.
All right, so let's walk back. So if we go back to 1 billion years, okay. Now, Zach, why don't you read off some of the events as we come back? So we're going to go all the way back to, if you guys look down there, so we're going to walk all the way back to the beginning of our planet.
Okay, so here we've got the section before 4.6 billion years ago, and that's going to be pre-Earth. But at 4.6 billion years ago, the age of the Earth and the Precambrian era begins. Now, after that, at 3.9 billion years ago, we have the oldest known rocks. And so those, I believe, were found in Australia.
Okay,
so that's
so
where those are.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're just keep moving down to show you. As we go further back in time, there's less space. So what I want to do is actually show the handout. So we're going to do this. All right. So as you can, this is what we have: 0 to 4.6, the different errors. And then the way the students did this handout is we took this. This is 3.9 billion years. So guys, how did they actually measure that onto the thing? 3.9 billion is the same in distance for what?
It's 3.9 meters.
Right. So
measured 3 meters and 90 centimeters.
Correct. Because
And
1 billion years.
Actually, I think we measured 4 meters and then 10 centimeters.
you just went 10 centimeters back. Okay. Now, just to show, the bulk of the life has been in the last 500 million years.
Correct.
Represented by the last 50 centimeters on the tape.
All right. So let's go back to here, and we'll go ahead and conclude. All right. So it may be hard to see in the video, but the whole idea is we're going to take time and convert it into distance to understand there's been a lot of time on this planet, and most of the activity has been in the last 500 million years. All right. Brought to you by Curious Moranland. Thanks for watching.